He lied. You ain't got no client.
Okay, Doc, what about old girl that was on Baddies that just got the surgery?
Oh! You ain't got no client, my nigga.
Her name? The big girl that just got the surgery on the Baddies? I mean, I'll even take that back after this moment.
Now I know you got me up if you talking about my back is bigger than Rolly Polly.
What's up, gang? What's up, gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games. Today I'm finna get a little watty with schedule my fiance a big back reduction.
Oh!
How about to be scheduling my fiance a big back reduction, y'all? Now look, disclaimer. Ain't nothing wrong with Lil Watty. I think my Lil Watty is gorgeous. Okay, I love every bit of my Lil Watty. I think out of 1 through 10, she at least an infinity. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But for today, for these prank purposes, I'm about to get on that ass. It is what it is, gang. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell so you get notifications when we drop a new video, gang. Now look, post notification, gang. Post notification shout outs go to Gary Kirkpatrick, duly noted, Grim Reaper Tasha, Shanika Townsend, and Jessica M.A. Thank y'all so much for serving the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody want to shout out in any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments. And yeah, post notification bell turned on, gang. Not love. We finna go run some errands, go pick up Noah and run some errands. As soon as we get in the car, we're gonna get straight into it, gang. Scheduling my fiance a big back reduction. It's about to go down.
One eternity later.
Hey, Doc. Yeah, I'm glad you called. Yup. Yeah, I think it's about that time.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? It's getting serious. I definitely think it's about that time. Okay. Yeah, that's all that was in the refrigerator. You don't put that in the refrigerator. Yep. Yeah, so do you guys do, I know you guys do the boo-boo, the chi-chi. Hold on. Hang on. I know you guys do the chi-chi and the boo-boo, but do you guys do the back? Oh, you guys do? Oh, thank you. Huh?
You getting the reduction? Oh!
Motherfucker. What you talking about? Damn. All in the Kool-Aid, don't know the flavor. Sit your ass down. Damn. Hello, Doc? Yeah.
In my Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid is here.
Yeah. Huh?
All in the Kool-Aid. You are my flavor.
Okay, look, I'm trying to talk. You talking
I'm talking
too
to
much.
myself. I ain't even talking to you. I'm talking to myself.
Talk to yourself in your damn head.
No.
I can't hear the Doc.
Let it out.
I'm trying to have a professional conversation, please. Can you be professional for once in your life?
Listening to me, mind your conversation.
I can't hear him.
You should have called before you got in the motherfucker.
Gonna keep talking no matter how many times I tell your ass to stop the goddamn talk. Hello. Thank you, Doc. Yeah, thank you for being patient.
Oh.
Yeah. Nah, that motherfucker big. That motherfucker big. Woo, that motherfucker big. That motherfucker big. You know what I'm saying? Yup. Yeah, it's strong, it's long, it's big, it's wide. You know what I'm saying? It's all about. Yeah.
Oh my God, all these damn cars.
Yeah, they look like they play linebacker for the Chiefs. It's crazy. I was like, damn. Yeah, straight, yeah. You know what I'm saying? 5 touchdowns, 2 sacks in the Super Bowl. You know what I'm saying? Like damn.
Get off the phone.
Hold on, here I come. Yeah, so when do you think will you be available for it? All right, sounds good. Okay. Yes. Nah, they not that old. Yeah, big back. Like you go up, I'm trying to tell you, big back. Like the Hulk. When the Hulk get bad, break out the t-shirt, big back. Strong back. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah. That motherfucker huge, big ass back. I was like, so what, like, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know, Beyonce, Rihanna back or something like that. I mean, that's what, I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? Huh? I even take a Monique back.
I thought you was finna get off the phone.
Huh?
I thought you was getting on the phone.
Okay, you obviously see me, I'm scheduling an
Over there
appointment.
laughing at
I'm scheduling an appointment
with who? You on the phone with a doctor?
Yes. I'm was because of the phone with the doctor.
Okay, well, why
Hello?
you chip with your doctor? Hurry up and get
Tasha, you just have to be
talking
talking
about
to somebody. You can't drive without talking to somebody?
Nope.
You can't. You just have to talk to somebody. You not on the phone. I'm on the phone. Not you. Why you talking?
Because I want to talk, nigga. You said don't talk while you on the phone, so I'm waiting for you to get off that motherfucker. That's
Sing
why.
a song to your dad. I'm sorry, Doc. Hold on. Sing a song to yourself.
I was.
Okay.
You told me to shut the fuck up.
You was
I'm
too
finna
loud.
start talking again.
Hum the
I'm finna be
motherfucker.
talking again. I'm finna be talking again.
Hello?
Oh!
Yeah.
Shit.
Nah, that's what, yeah, exactly. I be afraid. They get like that, you know what I'm saying? When they get, that's the problem. They get like that, be hoofing up at it. So I be, you know what I'm saying? I be passive as hell. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? A little bit sometimes. But what I'm saying is, yeah, we're gonna have to get that big back down. We're gonna have to get that big back down. Yes.
What you?
Oh, okay, yeah, she in her mid 30s, Doc. She in her mid 30s. She's still in good health. She got a big ass head, but she's still in good health. Definitely. Yeah, I want to get a mouth reduction too in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But,
You talking about me?
But yeah. Yes, Tasha, Latasha.
You talking about me?
Latasha win, huh?
You talking about me?
Yeah, we can get that shit fixed. Hello?
Yeah, what fix? You can't fix my mouth. This mouth ain't never gonna give me motherfucking fix. What the fuck you talking about?
I'm getting you a back reduction. I'm getting you a big back reduction.
Oh!
We want it like Beyonce or Rihanna or something like that. I told him I'd even take Monique right now.
First of all, nigga, I'll slap the fuck out of you, bro. First of all, my back ain't bigger than Monique's, motherfucker. First of all, she bigger than me. Nigga, my back ain't that motherfucking big, nigga.
What about?
I'm a big boned girl. First of all, I was born thick. I got it from my motherfucking mama. What the fuck are you talking about? And if you don't like it, you can go, nigga. Ain't nobody finna do no surgery for no nigga to be happy. You got me fucked up. Sorry, Doc. He lied. You ain't got no client.
Okay, Doc, what about old girl that was on Baddies that just got the surgery?
Oh! You ain't got no client, my nigga.
Her name? The big girl just got the surgery on the Baddies? I mean, I'll even take that back after this moment.
Now, I know you got me fucked up if you talking about my back is bigger than Rolly motherfucking Polly, nigga. You got me with a motherfucking lie. My back is never that motherfucking big.
That's her name.
Get off the phone.
Rolly Polly.
Get off the phone.
Go search it
Get
up. Go search it
Get
up.
off the fucking phone.
Damn, what the hell wrong with
Get
you?
off that shit because
Go search Rolly Polly on
you
the
know
internet,
who's
Doc.
back
Yeah.
bigger than Rolly.
Okay.
My back is up.
2
I
weeks.
wasted all that. The Rolly
Okay,
be
next
sucked
Monday.
up in
Next
her
Monday.
low shit. She be
Alright, Doc.
sucked up, stiff and shit, nigga. My back is not that big. My back is not that big. You doing too much.
Tasha,
You
your
do
back is
entirely too
big
much
as
for
hell.
no. My back is
Tasha.
not. Your back is bigger than mine. What the fuck you mean?
How my back bigger than yours? I can't even fit in your shirt.
Oh.
Your back
First of all,
strong as
why
hell.
the f- is yo yeah trying on my
Tasha,
shirt?
you got back muscles.
Is what
nigga.
I'm asking.
Your shoulders is buff as hell. You look like you got on shoulder pads and shit. And you come at me. I'm trying to say it. We need to cut that. You look like you got on shoulder pads. Nigga.
Man, I slapped the shit out you.
We need to trim that shit down.
Because a big
Hell
body,
no.
that's
See, that's
why.
the look right
'Cause
there.
I'm swole,
That's the
nigga.
look right
And
there.
if you want
Nah,
these hands, I
hell
can give it
no.
to you, nigga. That ain't got nothing to do with my back being big. That got
Okay,
something
look.
to do with me with that.
Okay, look.
Oh.
Mind the length. Your length of your back, you got a short back. So it's not length. It's that way. That way. We gonna trim that bitch
So
down.
I'll go get my back reduced if you go get your titties reduced. We in there together?
Shit, I gonna get my titties shaped up.
I didn't say shaped up, nigga. I want you flat chested. Nigga,
That's what I mean, man shape. Not women shape. Not no goddamn.
talk about like
No,
you
hell no.
You can't fit my
That
shirt.
one with the head I was talking about.
Try it on a bit raws is what I'm asking.
Oh. What are you talking about?
On my back, you got me fucked up. Ain't that the pot calling the motherfucking kettle black?
Tasha, you look like
You lost
50
your motherfucking mind.
You look like 50 Cent in a pink tank top right now. What are you talking about? George Foreman looking at.
And you look like Rolly in a regular shirt. Nigga, stuffed. Motherfucker.
They said they can get your back a little smaller than Rolly. Because I said it's bigger than Rolly right now. After she got that surgery.
Back is not bigger
After
than
she
mine.
got not before.
Her back is still not smaller
before.
than mine after the surgery.
Not
Nigga,
before.
what the fuck are you talking about? Her back is not smaller than mine. Nigga,
Tati Poli.
you finna have a Forrest Whitaker eye they gonna have to fix.
Damn.
That's what you finna have.
I'll
You
smack
finna
you
have
out
one
your
of those motherfuckers. Keep playing with me.
How
That's
you
what you
coming
don't
at
have.
me like that? I'm trying to help you out.
I don't
I'm
need
trying to
no
help.
help. If I wanted a surgery, I would have called and scheduled the shit myself. I love me. All of me, nigga. This ain't nothing but fine, this nigga.
Tasha.
This is fine shit right here.
I agree.
This is
I
goodness.
agree.
This is
I agree.
ass and hips and titties and shit, nigga. The fuck you you mean?
But they said thin backs live longer. I'm trying to be doing
Well,
this
tell a
shit
bitch
to
to eat
90.
some fruit. Tell a bitch to eat some fruits. Don't try to get me to go under the knife to fix some shit about me that you don't like, nigga. I love all of me. And if you don't like it, kick rocks.
Tasha, you boned it. Nigga, fruits ain't gonna fix your bone structure. Fruits give you small bone. Do fruits give you small bone?
Nigga, all I'm saying is our bones are about the same, motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm a nigga. I'm on huff, nigga. I'm on huff, nigga. It's okay for me to have a big back.
But it ain't okay for you to have titties.
Oh! Why you keep going back to the titty?
Because you got to try to talk about somebody and talk about some imperfections or some type
We
of shit.
just spent titty time talking about my
titty. There with a whole motherfucking C-cup, nigga. That's why. That's why.
I said your back is a 75.
You's a motherfucking lie.
You wear 75 double D because your back.
No, I don't.
You gotta get your bra special made.
Look at this waist, nigga. This shit is no. Stop playing.
No,
with
it's
me.
the upper back. I'm not even talking about the lower back. Lower back. Ooh, the lower back. Yo, the lower back. The lower back is good. That upper back though, from here to here, it's the shoulder to shoulder, and from about 3 inches underneath that, all that area right there. Grizzly.
My head match my shoulders though, nigga. Your head don't match your shoulders.
You do got a grizzly bear hat.
I'm just saying, you got a little ass head over there with Beetlejuice head talking about me and my shoulders, nigga.
Lisa ain't got no little shoulders.
Stop playing
Lisa
with
ain't got no little shoulders though. Lisa ain't got no little shoulders though.
That head is little than a motherfucker now. Oh! It's little as
my bottom head is big.
You got an alien head now that I look
That's
at it.
all that matters. My bottom head big as hell. Don't you don't complain about that. I don't hear no complaints about that.
Because we ain't talking about him. He ain't got shit to do with this. I'm talking to your punk ass.
I'm talking to you. Okay, look, just be ready to go next Monday. We gotta drop your ass off at 11 in the morning.
You ain't dropping me off nowhere.
I'm dropping your ass off at 11.
Tasha, you dropping me off nowhere. I'm not going to get shit. You got me.
You don't want a Rihanna back? Beyonce?
Call the doctor back as a
J-Lo back. J-Lo.
Call the doctor back.
And tell her what?
Tell the doctor back.
Tell the doctor back. What about a Luther? What about a Luther back? Skinny Luther. Because you got a big Luther back right now. Skinny Luther. I'm trying to compromise with your ass. Oh! Damn. You want the Rihanna, you can at least get your Skinny Luther back. Why you cracking your knuckles like you about to... Hey, you ain't about to be up in here with my ass.
No, I'm about to show you what this back do.
What?
I'm about to show you
I know what that back do. I know what that back do.
I'm about to show you.
No, I know what that back do.
I'm about to show you exactly
I know what that back do. I know what that back do. I know what that back do.
Call the doctor back.
And tell him what?
Tell him you lied, nigga. If anybody get an appointment, it's you, big dog. Call him.
He said he don't specialize in men chi-chis.
Men chi-chis, women chi-chis, they all the same.
It's
extra fat, nigga, just hanging. You got it?
He said he could turn these all the way into the women or nothing. And I said, I don't want no, you know what I'm saying, no perky ass. Oh! Okay. Real boobs.
Call him back. My back's not big. First of all,
I'm gonna have to eat fruit. See, this is fruit. Fruit can fix that. Fruit can't fix the bone structure and your rib, the way your rib cage is made, and your shoulders can't.
So you don't like my back?
Huh?
You don't like my back?
I told your lower back is beautiful.
Because you always trying to hit it from the back. So why?
Because your lower back, I be like, damn,
you
remember?
Is you envisioning a linebacker or some shit? What I'm saying, since you talking about my back, when you hitting it from the back, who you see?
Huh? That's why I like for you to look at me. If you don't look at me, it's gonna be suspect in the motherfucker. That's why I always say, turn, look at me. I'm hitting it from the back. Okay, I'm just playing. Okay, I'm just playing.
Stop playing with me.
It's a prank. Okay, look, it's a prank. Calm down, Tasha. I love everything about you, girl. You are gorgeous.
I know.
You are gorgeous. Ain't nothing wrong with nothing on you. Okay.
Little man's treasure,
that mouth,
man's motherfucking treasure, nigga.
That mouth though, that baby.
It's gonna do what it do.
I might need a mouth reduction. But not for things to go in, just for the shit to come out that motherfucker. You know what I mean? I wonder if they can make that a mouth reduction for the shit to just come out. Cause that. Ooh.
You ready for your Forrest Whitaker eye?
No, I don't want that.
Oh, okay.
Gang don't want me with no Forrest Whitaker eye. Why you playing around? They don't want me with. You looking beautiful today, Tasha. You ain't never on your back. No, I'm trying to tell you.
Back up. I know.
You gorgeous.
I know.
Okay, let me.